How to create ASMR AI videos for free, step-by-step tutorial. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create beautiful AI ASMR videos like these, and you're easily able to create audio as well as the video using a few free tools. So let's get started. Now you can do this in VO3 if you want. I have detailed tutorials if you want to do this on VO3. Keep in mind that VO3 does have a subscription, so you can get the first month completely for free, and then after that you do have to subscribe. Their AI Pro plan starts at $20 a month, so it is something that is going to not be free in the long run. You can create 3 free videos every month, but that is it. So if you want to do this completely for free, you can do it for the first month on VO3. Just head on over into Google Flow VO3 and then proceed with your prompt. However, in the long run, if you're looking to do this for free, head on over to ChatGPT. Once you go into ChatGPT, you're going to log on to your ChatGPT account. It doesn't need to be a Plus account. It can be a regular ChatGPT account. You're going to click on GPTs on the left. Once you click on GPTs on the left, you're going to go ahead and search GPTs. Search for ASMR, and you will see this particular ASMR GPT called Make ASMR Images and Prompts. You're going to click on this over here and then click on Start Chat. Once you click on Start Chat, you're going to proceed and you're going to ask it to create a photo for you. So I want to ask it to create a prompt for a ASMR cutting video in a forest where we are cutting fruits that are translucent. And now once I do that, it's going to actually create a very specific prompt that I can use in any AI model. Once it creates the prompt, it's going to ask you that if you want to create an image for that particular prompt. So yes, I'm just going to reply with yes, and it will create an image for me. Now after that, it's going to ask you what ratio of image you would want. So if you want this to be 9:16 or 16:9. So I want this for YouTube, so I want a full horizontal video rather than a vertical video. So I'm just going to proceed with the details, and then it's going to create the image. Now you guys can see this is the entire prompt. It depends on whatever type of basic prompt you're putting in and how it's going to define those. And what I like about using this before I create my videos is that this gives me a general idea of what my images are going to look like, what my video is going to look like, because we're going to be using this image as our image reference and then create the video. So I'm going to wait and see what this creates. You can create other types of ASMR videos, whether it is slime videos or whether it is soap cutting videos. This is our general prompt, and you guys can see this is the image it has created, and our full prompt is on top. You can also create this with Leonardo AI or Kling AI, but I'm just going to customize this. So I'm going to ask it to make the apple pink. And now it's going to create an image with the apple being a pink colored apple. And this allows you to customize the fruit. You can change the fruit, you can change the environment, you can change the knife, you can change the way the hands look. This just gives you a really nice idea of how you can alter different videos. And let's take a look at how it can convert this image with a clear apple, a clear crystal apple, into a pink apple instead. Just like so, it has converted my apple into a pink apple. This looks perfect. And then you're going to simply click on this download button on this image. Once you have downloaded this image, you're going to head on over into Leonardo AI. Leonardo AI is an amazing tool that you can use, and we're just going to head on over into Leonardo. Now, Leonardo AI also has different pricings, and I have subscribed to their apprentice plan. However, you can also proceed with their free plan, but video creation is going to be better if you are opting for their apprentice plan, and it's only $12 a month, which is probably one of the lowest subscription pricing that you're going to see when it comes to these AI models. So once you have downloaded your image and you have copied your prompt, so you're going to go back up and then you're going to copy the prompt over here, and then you're going to go back into Leonardo AI. You're going to go into image on the left, then you're going to click on video, then you're going to click on the left and you have multiple different models. So I'm going to be using model 2. Then you have motion control, so how you want this to look. I'm going to go with none. And then after that, we are going to put in our image. So just upload your image over here. I'm going to select this as my starting frame. So I'm going to click on upload image. You can even drag and drop the image over here and it will upload your image. And we're just going to upload the image and then use that as our first frame. Once the image has been added, you're going to paste in the prompt, shot in extreme macro perspective, a translucent colored glass fruit, a translucent pink colored glass fruit. Wood cutting, the sunlight filters through the trees, a black holding the knife, move her, and then I'm going to change this. The knife cuts into the apple and makes I'm going to define the sound, so makes a shrieking glass cutting sound, and the glass apple cuts, falls on the board and breaks. Now, once I have added the prompt, I've added one more line to my prompt, I'm going to click on generate, and now it is going to proceed with creating my video, and it's going to use my reference image. Now, on the left, you can even see your generation mode, the style theme, as well as the number of videos and video dimensions. I personally don't like to change these. The reason for that is I like to keep the original aesthetic, and I do like to keep that particular style. So whatever style you have in the image, you can customize that, but usually I like to opt for the style that is already present. So we're just going to wait for this. Now, in the meanwhile, I'll show you guys another prompt that you can use, and this particular prompt that can be customized into any type of ASMR video. So macro perspective, flawless, crystal clear, detail rich, and then you just enter whatever type of video you want. Then you're going to add your camera movement and then the cutting, how the cutting should look like, and then the sound. So first off, the object, the camera, the way that the cutting or the ASMR movement is happening, and then the sound. So that is how you can, create any type of template and prompt, and how you can optimize a prompt. And now this is what Leonardo AI has created. And you guys can see that the apple is cutting. It looks really nice, and it is a really nice little video. Now you can even go back into Leonardo AI, and if you go into image over here and you choose lucid realism, you're able to create images instead of videos if you want, and that just allows you to have a further customization of how you want the video to look like. And just like so, you're able to create amazing free ASMR videos. You can use VO3, Leonardo AI, ChatGPT, or a combination of all three of these to have the perfect ASMR video. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you found them helpful, make sure to share them with someone you might think that may need these. Share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins, and share them with any business partners that you might have. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.